Hi children, how are you? Birds names English to Telugu meaning. Swan. This is the swan means Hamsa. Hummingbird. This is the hummingbird means hummingbird. Kingfisher. This is the kingfisher means Lakumuki pitta. Pigeon. This is the pigeon means Pavuramu. Parrot. This is the parrot means Ramachiluka. Owl. This is the owl means Gudla Guba. Cock. This is the cock means Kodi Punju. Chick. This is the chick means Kodi Pilla. Eagle. This is the eagle means Gradda. Peacock. This is the peacock means Nemali. Duck. This is the duck means Batu. Duckling. This is the duckling means Batu Pilla. Maina. This is the Maina means Gorinka. Crane. This is the crane means Konga. Woodpecker. This is the woodpecker means Vadrangi Pitta.
White dove. This is the white dove means Tellani Pavuramu.
Sparrow. This is the sparrow means Pichuka. Penguin. This is the penguin means penguin.
Crow. This is the crow means Kaki.
Hen. This is the hen. Telugu means Kodi Petta. Crane. This is the crane means Konga.
Ostrich. This is the ostrich means Nippukodi.
Cuckoo. This is the cuckoo or koel. This means Kokila లేదా Koila. Turkey. This is the turkey means Sima Kodi. Flamingo. This is the flamingo means Raja Hamsa. Guinea fowl. This is the guinea fowl means Guinea Kodi. Vulture. This is the vulture. Telugu means Ravandu. Thank you for watching. Like and share. మరిన్ని వీడియోల కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.